I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg with you. Today we're doing prime rib, and we are gonna crust this bad boy with some fresh herbs, mustard, horseradish. We're gonna top it off with our brand new Heffer dust, absolutely delicious. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of grain mustard, okay? We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of prepared horseradish. Make sure you don't buy the creamy horseradish, get the prepared horseradish. We'll do some fresh garlic. Got some chopped oregano, about a tablespoon, some sage, some fresh parsley, and we're gonna mix this up into a paste. And this is gonna go all on the outside of our prime rib. And then we're gonna top it all off with a Heffer dust. So I find, get your hand, and I tied this up, make it nice and easy and even. Get all the sides with that rub. And as this bakes, that mustard's gonna tighten up and get great flavor. Now I've got the RT 680 set on 275, so we're gonna go a little higher, get a little more caramelization here. We'll still get plenty of delicious flavor. Make sure you get those sides, those end cuts. Everybody is gonna fight over that. That looks good. And then we want to be pretty generous with our Heffer dust. Again, make sure you get all the sides. All right, let's get it on to cook. All right, so our roast is rested for about 20 minutes, all right? So get a nice sharp knife and we will cut this into about inch thick steaks. Nice and medium rare. We've got some compound butter. It's got fresh sage, oregano, parsley, garlic. It'll go very nice with our crusted prime rib. And we're gonna do this family style. So this platter will go right on the table. So it doesn't matter if it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, or just a Sunday dinner, you can have a delicious prime rib. And I always turn that end cut around. Go ahead and shingle these. Got our herb butter, we'll put our medallions on the top. Everybody gets one. And there you have it. Mustard and horseradish crusted prime rib with herb butter. Absolutely fantastic.